I think it'd be a good idea to get rid of the shovels or spades or, you know, you can't sideways.
Oh, yeah.
We had the motor running all right, look at it.
I didn't bring the money. We'll probably never run it. I didn't bring any money. The machine, it'll be there for show more than...
Well, that's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
Well,
Well, just pick out anything you want then, well. Maybe they
Nice
need
little
a-
chainsaw.
Huh?
Nice little chainsaw there.
Yeah.
I got one up there.
now, this could be,
Most of this stuff came out of my dad's place.
oh, yeah.
Some of it came from Howard's, but most of the stuff Jeff came from Howard.
So-
That Jeff came from Howard.
Oh, yeah. So some of this might go to the Historical Society, New Sweden, some to the Maine Swedish Colony, and maybe some to Stockholm even, although Johnny looked at,
They've got,
they've looked at
they have
a lot.
Yeah, quite a turnbuckle. Ah, that's a biggie. On that one, right? Nice, yeah.
So Fred, is it mostly this stuff here, or is it the whole thing?
Well, the stuff right in the center, most of that's going to Florida. But otherwise, Matt, you look at it, whatever you see there, and I'll tell you what.
Well, there's all kinds of tools and stuff. A lot of those tools could go down in the potato cellar or
Yeah.
in the
You
museum.
know what that is?
Looks like a,
Wind up the bags there.
oh, that's a bag twister, huh?
Yeah, it's a one.
Hook it on there and
Yeah.
try and
Over
get...
on the mean,
I got one home.
I think I got that from Howard, frankly.
2 years ago, I had to have one.
There's something we use
It's a
in the hay,
whiskey jar.
in the hayloft.
I remember Michael
Oh, yeah.
Herbert used to
Pull the
buy
hay
it
off
that
the
way.
truck and hoist it
Yep.
up.
What'd you
Yep.
say? Oh, yeah.
Hay hooks.
Hay fork.
I don't know how long it was in here. When I think it was the first drill I ever had.
Electric drill, oh, yeah.
I didn't know if my dad was up in the museum with me.
There you go, Owen.
50 years old, that's for sure.
Yeah.
You lost a handle on it,
Well, well.
I want $50. I had two of them. The guy that bought this place took one of them.
Oh, yeah.
He said he didn't need two.
Of course, most of what's been collected in the museum so far is from way back. But you stop and think 50 years from now,
That's right.
anything that we have now is, will
Some of
be,
that stuff that I probably still got in Florida, I probably never should have taken down there.
yeah.
One of them was my chest, but my dad, my mother